वेलकम बैक स्टूडेंट्स। अब क्वेश्चन दूसरा करेंगे एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर्स। यू कैन फाइंड these एनसीईआरटी exemplar books at bookshop, or if you are using a smartphone you can download it from NCERT website where you can find exemplar books for math. You can download it and you can do on by yourself. So let me proceed further. Here it is saying that a quadrilateral means that you have a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal. Just consider a quadrilateral having all its sides equal, opposite angles are equal, and the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So what are the properties of a quadrilateral given are? All sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So look, quadrilateral, all sides are equal, that is rhombus, square. Opposite angles are equal, but in case of square all angles are equal, and diagonals bisect at each other, so that polygon with such properties is known as rhombus. A quadrilateral, again a quadrilateral is given to you whose opposite sides and angles are equal. All angles are here. It is important to note that opposite sides are equal and all angles are equal. So such is the case with rectangle. Rectangle have opposite sides equal and all the angles are equal. In case of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. In square, all sides are equal. A quadrilateral whose all sides, diagonals and angles are equal is such is a square. You have all sides equal, you have diagonals and angles equal, so that is square. Proceeding further, this one is also important. In order to know how many diagonals can we draw in a polygon, so for that you have to, in case of quadrilateral you can draw 2 but you have to remember this formula: n into n minus 3 divided by 2, where n is number of sides. Here it is saying in hexagon, put n is equal to 6, 6 into 6 minus 3 divided by 2, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, 3 into 6 is 18, okay, 3 into 6 into 3 is 18, 18 divided by 2 is 9. So how many diagonals you can draw in a hexagon? 9 diagonals you can draw.